In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glassdoor to search for jobs and apply for them. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to submit your applications with confidence. Start by going to Glassdoor.com, sign into your account, or create one if you're new. Once you're in, take a moment to set up your profile. Add your work experience, skills, and any relevant details. This step helps Glassdoor understand your background and unlocks the community features, and it also improves the quality of job recommendations you'll see later. To start browsing roles, click the Jobs tab at the top of the page. Right away, you'll notice that Glassdoor suggests positions based on what you added to your profile. These suggestions can be a great starting point if you're exploring options. If you have a specific position in mind, head to the Find Your Perfect Job box. Type the job title you want, choose your preferred location, or select remote if that's a better fit. Then click Search. Glassdoor will display results that match your criteria. On the left side of the results page, you'll see a list of openings. Scroll through and pick any role that stands out. Clicking on a listing opens the full job details, where you can learn more about responsibilities, qualifications, benefits, and the company. Take your time here. A careful review helps you decide whether the position truly aligns with your experience and goals. If you're ready to move forward, look for the Easy Apply button. Clicking it takes you to the application page. Here, fill in your contact information and upload your resume if needed. Follow the prompt step by step until you reach the confirmation screen. Keep an eye out for required fields and make sure your details are accurate before submitting. A quick review can prevent errors and save time. You can also explore the For You section. This area highlights jobs that closely match your background based on your profile. Open any listing that interests you, read through the description to confirm it's a good fit, and use the Apply button to continue with the process, just like before. That's the workflow. Build your profile, search with specific criteria when you need to, review the listing carefully, and apply through Easy Apply when you're ready. It's a straightforward way to find roles that fit your skills and interests. I hope this walkthrough makes your job search smoother. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Good luck with your applications.